The problem is, like, if you were to dump, let's say, financial data from your business into ChatGPT, that data does get shared, right? And so the beauty of using generative AI and automation AI together is, with a chatbot, ChatGPT is great, but it doesn't know your applications, right? It doesn't know how you use, Sage or Procore, or I'd be curious to hear what other accounting or field systems folks are using. But with using generative AI and automation together, you can build essentially a chatbot that is trained on your data and that is trained on how to use your software. So I can chat into a chatbot to say, "Hey, go and create an RFI in Procore for me. And here are the details." I put it into the chatbot, it logs in to Procore and enters that data in for me. So I think for most people on the generative side, companies or contractors that we speak to are using Copilot or they're using ChatGPT to some extent. No one has really gone in and built their own GPT. The problem is, like, if you were to dump, let's say, financial data from your business into ChatGPT, that data does get shared, right? I don't actually recommend doing that. Um, Instead, what there's technologies out there, and Brick is one of them, obviously, where you can start to build your own GPTs that are trained on your own data. So, and look, this is something I've given this talk several times in the past year, but I used to say, "Oh, we're going to see that in the next 2 years, where companies can build their own GPTs, where I can ask it questions rather than going into Sage and running a report on, show me all the cost codes that are, over budget." That's something that can be done today, and there are companies that are doing that, and it's not just large companies, by the way, that are able to do